Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install RabbitMQ. Open a browser and search RabbitMQ. Scroll down and visit the official website. So before installing RabbitMQ, you need to install Erlang. So just click on getting started and click on this installation guide. Scroll down and based on your OS, you just need to click on this link here. If you are using Mac, then you just need to click on this link. If you are using Windows, you need to click on this. Just click on this Windows installer here, then scroll down. You just check it here which version is supporting the latest version. So you can see here the latest version is 4.1.2 and the Erlang the last two version it is supporting like 26.2 and 27, and 28 is not supporting. So let's download it Erlang also. You just need to search erlang.org and then go, then click on download here, then expand here all the releases you can see here. Just expand and then click which version you need, and then click on this download Windows installer. So let's download the RabbitMQ server also 4.1.2, which is the latest version. Okay, once the download is done, just go there and first you need to install Erlang. Click on next, install. Once the installation is done, just click on close here. Click on right click on this PC, click on properties, and then go to the advanced system setting, environment variable, then just check it if the Erlang home is set or not. If it's not there, then just go to C drive, program files, Erlang OTP, and then take the path here and then new, and then paste the value here, then variable name is er. Just copy this variable name, need that, then scroll down, click on path, edit, click on new, percentile, Erlang home, percentile class bin, click on OK. Once that is done, we need to install the RabbitMQ. Next, click on next, and then click on finish. Okay, once the installation is done, just open localhost 15672. The home page is working. I got the RabbitMQ home page, and the username is guest, the password is guest. So you can see the RabbitMQ is working fine, and the version whatever we have installed. So sometimes you may get some error. You need to run this command. So just to run that command, you will just need to open the RabbitMQ command prompt. Let's scroll down, and here you can see the RabbitMQ command prompt. Go here, and you just need to run this command here. So for me it's working. If it's not working, we just need to run this command from this location, RabbitMQ underscore server hyphen 4.1.2 slash sbin. From this location you need to run it. That's it in this video. Thank you.